In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete a DocuSign document efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're handling an important business contract or dealing with everyday paperwork, mastering DocuSign can save you time and streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward step-by-step guide. First, open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. DocuSign is a leading platform in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it an essential tool in today's digital world. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the login option. Go ahead and click on it to enter your credentials. This will log you into your DocuSign account, giving you access to your personalized dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, head over to the DocuSign home by selecting it from the menu. This is your central hub where all your documents and agreements are stored. Here you'll find an option labeled Agreements. Click on this option to access all the agreements that require your attention. Next, it's time to check your inbox within DocuSign. By clicking on Inbox, you'll see a list of documents that have been shared with you, ready for review and signing. Locate the document you need to sign and click on it. Once opened, you'll see the Sign option. Clicking on Sign allows you to electronically sign the document. Now that you've placed your signature on the document, it's important to finalize the action by clicking on Finish. This step confirms your signature and saves your changes. Make sure not to skip this, as it completes your signing process. As you're near the conclusion, you might notice a button labeled Signature. Clicking on this gives you the opportunity to customize your electronic signature if needed, and after making your choices, another Finish button will appear. Click on it to wrap up any additional steps. Now, if this document is something that needs to be sent to another party, look for the Send button. Clicking on it will initiate the process of forwarding your signed document to the intended recipient. This is particularly useful if you're collaborating with others or need to confirm your signed document is reaching its destination. You might need to click on Send more than once as prompted. If required, you can also navigate through steps to continue signing additional documents presented. Look for the sign prompt to finalize signatures on any other documents listed. Once you've signed everything, click Continue to move forward. Finally, ensure you click on Sign one more time if needed, and finish to officially complete the signing task. This seals the process, ensuring your document is signed and processed as needed. As you wrap up, checking the completed section ensures you can verify all documents signed are accounted for. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to manage your DocuSign documents effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video has made your DocuSign experience seamless and straightforward. Happy signing!